How are you feeling, Fiona?
Filled with dread.
Filled with
I'm
dread?
gonna die.
Pumped, jagged, that's more like it. So it would appear that to get onto this boat, first we have to take a little dinghy with all his gear, which includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 bags and a bin bag. Who needs to spend £100 on a bag when you got bin bags? So for me and Lee it's day 5, Fiona and Rodri it's day 3. We find ourselves on a boat, heading to Blasket Island, which is over there in the distance. The plan is, to do a bit of wild camping, survive the night. There's supposed to be quite a lot of seals on this island. Yeah, it should be fun, should be exciting. What was that? Yeah, we love our fans at Lost in Motion. But yesterday we were doing some sea kayaking at Dingle, which was amazing. It was awesome. And we got to see the dolphin, which was called Fungi. There we go. Which is kind of like Ireland's version of Little Sebastian from Parks and Recreation. I don't get it, but they love him here. Okay, I'll keep you informed as we go along. Let's see how this goes. Holding on to anything. Made it. That's your bed. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. I'll pick up. So apparently there's like the remains of old village houses and things, so we might try and camp in one of them. Yeah, I still think that'd be a cool idea.
Just to the left of the ruins.
Let's have a look at this one first as we're here, and then we'll if it... Eh?
Camp on the beach. Oh, just above it? Like you mean the grass? I'm happy to do whatever it is, so I don't
Only thing is with that, apparently the seals wake you up all night.
Right, so we've picked our camping spots for the night. Myself, Rodri, Fiona have chosen to camp in these ruins, which is a little bit overgrown, but I think the trade-off is just the amount of shelter we get for tonight. And then Lee is camped, you'll be able to see it, all the way down there next to the beach.
The last time I got bitten by one, I got bitten in my armpit.
How long was that?
It went up here and well, not armpit.
Cause any problems?
No,
ticks?
It was only on me for a few seconds.
Oh, did you just notice, did you?
Yeah, because you get it off the vegetation, so it pushes through.
Well, we got DEET, so I'm hoping the DEET will stop them a bit. The DEET
We've also got these like...
something chewing on my leg.
But it should do them some harm. It's not, I mean, DEET's basically poisonous to everything.
Perfect.
I feel like there's something inside my leg now.
I knew I shouldn't have said to you.
I don't know if it tries just a general subnormal pain.
We've got some like bug candles as well,
know.
which these guys swear by. So there we've got a Talus 300. I'm using my old Zephyrus 2. Lee, what's yours?
Scarf one.
There we go.
Just braving it out on the coast at the moment.
Cool. How many cans did we get? Got some more beers that we'll review for you guys.
There's only 2 of each variety.
Absolutely soaked now.
Good.
Soaked in sweat or DEET?
That's what I do to women.
DEET.
This is 50% DEET, so... Okay, I'll show you one. There was some on here and I sprayed the bag. I Okay,
Like, there's
What
definitely
is
no
this?
ticks.
this is why they look like
Oh, they're tiny off. That's not a tick.
that's a tick, innit? Okay, go in for me.
Is that a tick? That's tiny.
So I've just been picking off about 5 or 6 off my leg, and then we decided, okay, let's go down to the beach and have some food. But before we get there, to show you Lee's tent, he's decided to go for the sea view, which I have to admit is quite idyllic. There's potentially less ticks around here, so he probably gets a few bonus points. There's some seals literally just bobbing their heads in the water. I think they're just waiting for everybody to go, and then they're going to come in and start chilling out, so we'll probably have our dinner and tea and some beers with them, I think. Dear. Right, going in. Picked off another tick, but I'm hoping that seawater will like drown them, but bugs are like, they survive anything. So there's a storm coming in, a bit of rain behind us. That's alright, we're prepared for it. Team's checking for ticks. Okay, so today,
Who wants to check me for ticks?
We all just sit in a circle and check each other.
like some f***ing chimpanzees or something.
Like a world's worst 2001 opening scene instead of like all the monkeys.
Yeah. Okay, so today me and Lee have the option of a Metal Man Pale Ale and also the other one, which is
Does anybody want first?
a, I can't even say that, Franciscan Well Brewery, a Rebel Red Ale. So I'm going to start with this one, I think. Thanks. Now it's going to be warm, we know this, but we're also on the beach.
Because you're in Ireland.
Very hoppy. That'll do, that's alright. How is it? It's not bad. Cool. Well, the seals are getting a little bit braver behind me. Yeah.
Just see one of us running over.
Yeah. Take me with you.
Stumbling there, covered in ticks.
Yeah.
Maybe these don't make sense.
We're just making this up as we go along.
This could be like the world's largest ball pit for them.
It could be. It looks like a whole lot of ticks, to be honest. Can you imagine that all the black bits are actually ticks?
Alright, feet. For the camera, what kind of gin have you got? Bloom gin with...
Bought it because it's a pretty bottle and I might use it in my wedding.
Oh, there you go. So we're going to have that with these...
My wedding, sorry. Ours.
Yeah, these two are getting married.
Oh,
Okay.
are you serious? Kill it. Do you want to let it go?
And the starter for today is cheese and onion tatoes. Tato. Right. This is going off. I'm going to have a
Do you
drink.
want cheese and onion?
It just started to rain a little bit, but look at all my new friends. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 seals just chilling out and watching. So like I said, it's raining, so just looking for a cave, and we've hit the jackpot. So the question is there a bear inside it? I can see the end of it.
Let's go get everyone that's going here.
That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got the candles as well, so that goes away.
Put them, well, we can cook dinner and stuff. Near the exit. Oh, nice. That's our evening sorted.
Yes. Thank God. Don't matter how much it rains now, isn't it?
Yeah, as long as we don't get caught with the tide coming in.
I don't think it comes up that high.
Alone in a cave with no friends. The life of Robert Thatcher. And he died.
Okay, so this is our home for the evening. It's a cave. It's fit with electric lighting. A lamp over there. We've got scented candles. We're just about to cook some dinner.
not scented just for fun, they're scented for the bugs. Citronella, guys. Citronella.
We've got the kettle boiling for our food, which I know normally I'd have some fancy camping stuff, but today I've got some Oriental instant noodles, coca, vegetable flavour. And then over here you can see our candles and our light. Tell you something, I've never done this before. Lee's out there, he's not taken the radio, so probably get eaten by a seal. How's the food fee?
It's pretty much the same as it would be on regular life.
Surely it tastes better with it being in a cave.
No, it doesn't. It's not the same.
Lee, how's the masala?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, this noodle pot's pretty good. The ingenuity continues with the bin bag top, which covers both the user and the bag as well. So the seals are still out there, they've not dared to come in yet, and the tide's getting pretty close, so we're going to have to scramble up, I think. But yeah, it's been fun. The cave did as well. We reckon if we get onto the high ground, the seals might actually come in, and we want to sort of see that. Right. Good morning. So, just woken up. Rain finally stopped a couple of hours ago. It was a bit of a windy night, but considering where right is to see, you know, I think that's acceptable. Tent held up. I was nice and dry. Tick free as well, which is a bonus. Fiona and Rodri in their Vango, we'll find out when they come back in a moment how they did. It's about 9 o'clock now. The first ferry to take us off is 11 o'clock, so we've got 2 hours to kill. So just trying to dry everything off. Now with everything in place, I'm going to go down there and check out some seals. And then tonight we've got a hotel hostel booked. We'll try and dry everything off and trying to make sure we're tick free, which will be the interesting bit. As for now, it's not raining, and that's sort of all I'd ask for right now. Cool. So then, did you sleep?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Comfy, snug as a bug. Take 4 ticks off myself today.
I've not found any just yet.
I think you lot are.
But I can't distinguish it between like grains of sand and ticks. So
I've had, well, 3 ticks today, 1 yesterday, so 2 there, 1 between my toes.
oh right, yeah, I'm not sure that had. Oh dear. How are your neighbours?
You can really hear the wind and the sea.
Yeah, they're a lot quieter than I thought they would be. Yeah.
It wasn't like one.
Yeah, I was expecting that a barking. Well, there they are. We're at the pier now, waiting for the boat. Rodri made some friends with some seals just behind me. And the sun's only just about to come out now, which is typical. Right, Fiona, give us a rating out of 10 for your experience on the island.
What I stuck in my face?
10! Brilliant. No.
9.
Nine.
For the ticks.
Minus a point for the ticks.
Yeah.
10 from Rodri.
10.
Nice. So it's been one heck of an experience on this island. Got pretty wet and miserable, but kept strong, kept through it. And now all that's left to do is leave the island, have a shower, search for ticks, pull them off, dry out his clothes, and then we're good, and then we're on our way. Continue heading south in the direction of the Skellig Islands. Some cool, right, over and out. Okay, so you thought the island video was over, but we've encountered a bit of drama where Rodri couldn't find his car keys, so we've left him. Yeah, Dad's car keys. So we've left him on the island. We're gonna head back to shore. Hopefully, I've got my car keys, but they must be in a bag somewhere. Yeah, and Rodri will have to come back on a later shift. 4 went onto the island. 3 left it. So we're back on dry land, and good news is Rodri's actually found the keys on one of the coastal paths, so that's just the crazy stroke of luck finding that. But the good thing is that he's found it, and he's going to jump on the next boat back, and then we're back on track. So also, for whoever makes ICOM walkie-talkies, these things are amazing. We can actually communicate to Rocket Man on the island all the way from here. So right, drama over.